dalawa. Bahala sila sa buhay.
Nag-away, ha?
Hindi naman away, kantsawan nila.
Parang sa akin, if you want to call Petrus, kasi Frenchman siya.
Okay.
I would say Mikael, rather than say Michael, which is more English, American. Pero ang spelling nun, actually it's K-A-E-L, so parang sa akin Mikael, parang more of the European type of name.
Oo nga. BMEC Derby Ace Premium Formula, dito ko na sa Liamada, taking care of presenting this free throw.
Bukas yan, may game yan. Orlando going up against Boston. I would suppose it to be on
Talaga mo makakaisa Orlando.
Of course.
Talaga.
Of course.
Ako hindi. Bakit di si Masaya? Text-textan tayo bukas.
Yeah.
Samantala, in the box we go. Players are trying to court the inside more, no? In the flow of the game,
Ito, medyo talagang consistent ang laro. Inabot lang ng maagang dalawang foul, kaya naobligang
Oo naman.
Pero ito, after taking a 4-point lead, bumitaw na naman ng 40 dito ang Alaska, bumalik sa isa na lang ang lamang nila.
Manka has gathered 9 points across his name.
Nobody can stop Simpson. Even though they're in a zone, maganda pagkakilos ng bola dito ng Alaska, mabilis ang pasahan. Tapos penetrate from the baseline. Look at Larry Fonacier releasing that. Hatfield could not recover in time to close out that zone. Tumulong si Eric, pangatlong personal foul. Another 3-point play in the offing for the Alaska Aces.
Ang nakakatawa kay Simpson kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan titira. Ang dami niyang galaw Paka-smooth ng galaw niya. Hindi mo alam kung kailan bibitawan
Well, he's tall also and he's long.
Totoo yan.
Good block.
Angle the way.
By Sam Yaman.
Natuwa ang ating mga kababayan dito, mga kaibigan natin dito. Outside the 10.
Larry Fonacier.
That's shot,
hitting nothing but air.
Welcome to Cebu, Larry Fonacier.
Actually, that's only his first attempt of the ball game, so you can give him that. And you have, this is the first time that you're seeing this guy coming to the ball game, si De La Peña. Dahil point guard rin ito, coming from Mapua dati, in one of their first round picks. Ang problema, nagkaroon kasi ng injury yan kaya hindi nakakalaro yan. Pero marunong na point guard yan.
Malakas yan.
And a scorer. And taller.
Mala-poly ang dating yan
But he is a natural point. Actually, he grew up in the States bago nag-PBL yan. Kaya nga medyo ang kanyang pag-aaral ng laro is more of an American style.
Okay.
Anak niya actually a father who played in the PBA before, also from Mapua. And a 3-second violation called against the Alaska Aces with 1 minute and 7 seconds left. Si Cablay has not been able to recover yet from the injury kaya hindi nila magamit
Parang walang halos kahalili si
LA. That's right.
And don't forget that Hanes is our official underwear here in the PBA team call. Does he have a bone to pick?
Siyempre, just making a point. Pangalawang foul din, Sabi man.
Kanya-kanya style. Si Pin, outgoing, oratorical presentation. Si Yang through the side of his mouth. Depende.
And a look that can kill you.
And then look at the player. That look on Eric Rodriguez last night was really something. Unbelievable. That's a difficult situation also for Air 20, but they played so much better last night. Hook shot! Going straight down. Cleaned up by Hatfield. Clock down now to the flash 43 seconds. There's a cross inside. Man trying to find an angle, and he'll try to get it from the free throw line.
Well, maganda yung ginawa nila doon. They push for a possible 2-on-1 kasi they went too early. But still, if they are going to be able to get the ball back, whether Alaska scores or if they miss and Ginebra can get the rebound, they had a possible good fast break there. So tama yung ginawa ng Ginebra, push up the ball.
Eric Meng, his familiar shot routine of the basket.
Returns for Tony Vance. Tony Levuz, Hyman Simpson, and Travis Magno for Larry Fonacier.
Alam mo, marami tayong kaibigan. Tuwa-tuwa na magkasama tayo.
Sinalo na.
Butch Maniego.
Okay.
Dr. John Lim. Boy Lapid. Lahat tinatanong. Ang ganda ng flooring. Oh, maganda. Maayos.
Correct.
Tama, partner. Talaga mahilig sila sa basketball. Ito lang ang available today.
Walang kasabay sa Sabado eh. Di ba? Under the basket we go! And, ang ganda ng gumalaw na yun. Dati hindi sinusubukan yun, ha?
You know, when he was in the PBL, and I did some games that time.
Correct.
Of course, for Solar. I like the way he has a good medium-range jump shot. Okay? I also like his post moves. I said may pag-asa ito sa PBA. The only thing I didn't like about him was he fouled too much. Marami siyang foul, so he could not stay in the game. And I thought the reason why he fouled too much was he went after everything.
Yung enthusiasm niya, no?
Maski na pag i-drino out na dahil sa PBA may man-to-man, hindi naman puro zone yan. No? So pag lumabas yan, hinahabol niya kahit saan ang tira.
Oo. Kahit wala siya sa Chenko, no?
When a loose ball foul or called against Yancy De Ocampo.
Yung magkapatid ng Dio Campo, pag tinawagan ng foul, pareho reaction. No? Yung mabagal na palayo.
Pero ito, masama ito. Kaya pang-apat na ito ni Yancy De Ocampo. At saka nasa penalty sila. Loose ball foul yan. So free throw shots. Ito, para kay Hugnatan.
Ito pwede kong biruin si Reynel na taglong kilala. Mukha ka ng bandera, Reynel. Ang dami na nakasampay dyan. Tapos sa kaya bibig, sir, hindi naman sir, ano lang, presentation lang.
Ito naman parang sinasabi mo na player that people said maybe too small or too slow to be a power forward, but a very steady and very reliable player. Mark Aguiwa, naku, paano wala sa lugar.
Yung sabi mo, reliable. Kaya love ni Tincon din no?
Maski na kanina, kung gusto bigay ng last, pwede kunin namin.
Sige.
Nice pick and roll here on top. There is about 4-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Pumasok na naman ang pera ni Tony De La Cruz, so lumaki na lamang dito ng Alaska.
Alam mo, pag natapos ng kakalarong basketball, pwede siya Clark Kent, no? Pwede yan. Kagiwas version, konting kulang. Tapos na po ang first half. Nang matapos po ang first 24 minutes of basketball, yan po ang ating bilang. Alaska, rumimati dito sa second quarter at rumachada na, 50-46. Ayusin ho natin ang stats, reviewin ho natin at tingnan natin ho ang insights ni Dr. J. Papasok po ng third quarter. Babalik po.
Doesn't get better than this.